Hello everyone, RuneSmith here, and today I'm going to be showing you a very basic video again. This is going to be how to detect pins, feel pins, and maneuver your pick through the lock. Again, this is a very basic one. This is a very basic lock and a standard pick profile that you get in a lot of beginner sets. Okay, we're going to go in with no tension. I'm going to put it to the back of the lock, I'm going to push it all the way down, and I'm going to slowly drag it out so you can hear the pins coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you heard that. Let's do it again. To the back, push all the way down, and drag. That's 4 clicks. So as you can see, when I'm putting the pick in the lock, I'm not holding it entirely by the handle and trying to use the pick like this. I have my finger right up there so you can feel, lots of the time I am touching the lock. I can feel all the movement going on through the pick, through the tip of the pick, and through the lock. Okay, so the next exercise you're going to move on to is you go to the back and you're going to feel the 4th pin, which will be your first pin. So the pin right at the back. Push it forward and back and you should feel yourself on a pin there. Now what I want you to do is push it down again. So get on top of that pin, push it down, and then pull out so you can hear that click. There you go, that's 1. And then do it again. I'm on pin 3, push it down, there's that click. I'm on now on pin 2, push it down, and there's that click. And final pin, pin 1, I can feel it there, giving me some spring, push down, and click. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4. And that's all the pins in this. And then start at the back. Feel that rear pin. Push down, click, there we go. Feel that next pin, push down, click, there we go. Next pin, push down, click. Final pin, click, there we go. That's how to maneuver your pick through the lock with your finger up there, and how to detect pins. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there's any basics you'd like me to go through.